Now with some hip cars, what I'm going to do is, in fact, I like to begin with my feet, my legs crossed. And the reason is I want to take advantage of that opportunity to adduct my hip, meaning move the hip across the body a little bit. So I'm going to start legs crossed, and I'm going to pull my calf, kind of the inside of my ankle and foot, across the body up toward the opposite hip. And I'm going to get as high as I can here, implying a sort of knee toward chest, as high as I can that way. Maintaining this sort of rotational position on the hip here, I'm going to open the hip up into what's called abduction, away from the body as far as I can. I'm then going to transition into internal rotation, effectively sort of rotating the hip this way, pulling the foot back, and then transition from that position of abduction, internal rotation, to a position of hip extension, and then back to neutral. We can reverse by extending the hip first, then externally rotating, pulling the knee toward the ceiling. I'm going to continue by moving the foot, in this case, kind of toward the camera. Continue that external rotation this way of the hip, bringing it across the body into abduction, and then back down, finishing with the foot, legs crossed.